Number 1.
1993 Ford F-150, price $10,000. It has 203,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission. Finished in a classic tan exterior with a matching tan interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is a rust-free Texas truck that has been well cared for over the years. It is powered by the reliable 5.0L V8 engine and features a desirable short bed configuration, making it a great choice for both everyday driving and classic truck enthusiasts. The truck runs strong and drives well, with a clean and well-kept interior that reflects the care it has received. Its paint remains in nice condition, giving the truck an attractive appearance, while the wheels and tires are in great shape and complement its overall look. Combining dependable performance, a solid body, and classic styling, this F-150 is a well-maintained pickup that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.
Number 2.
1997 Ford F-250, price $8,990. This truck has 90,000 miles and is powered by a strong 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It is a two-wheel drive truck finished in a gold exterior with a well-kept gold interior. The truck comes equipped with a fifth-wheel towing setup, a spray-in bed liner, and a toolbox, making it ready for both work and towing duties. It has been exceptionally well maintained, with new brakes, a new battery, and a new alternator recently installed. Stored indoors for most of its life, it remains in excellent condition and runs perfectly. The interior has been well cared for, while the paint, wheels, and tires are all in great shape, reflecting the truck's overall outstanding condition.
Number 3.
1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,200. It has 250,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, and is powered by a reliable gasoline engine. It runs and drives great with no mechanical issues, and both the air conditioning and heater work properly. The truck features manual roll-up windows and a rear sliding window, giving it a classic and functional design. Despite its mileage, this Tacoma has been exceptionally well cared for throughout its life. It has had only one owner, as it was previously owned by the seller's grandfather, and it has always been maintained on schedule. Equipped with the legendary 2.4L Toyota 2RZFE four-cylinder engine, it has earned a reputation for outstanding reliability and longevity. The truck has consistently passed smog inspections, comes with a clean title, and remains in impressive condition for its age.
Number 4.
1988 Ford F-150, price $9,850. This truck has just 47,000 miles and is powered by a legendary 300 cubic inch inline-six gasoline engine. It features a 5-speed manual transmission, a 4x4 drivetrain, a white exterior, and a red interior. The truck comes with a clean title, current registration, and a valid smog certificate. It is in great condition, runs excellent, has no leaks, and has never been in an accident. Recent maintenance completed within the last 3,800 miles includes a rebuilt manual transmission, upgraded 11-inch clutch kit, new rear main seal, oil pan and valve cover gaskets, spark plugs and wires, power steering pump, water pump, idler tensioner pulley, and alternator.
Number 5.
1988 Nissan D21, price $10,000. This truck is powered by a dependable 2.4L gasoline engine paired with a smooth 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in an attractive blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck has been well cared for and presents exceptionally well. It features a fresh new paint job along with brand new wheels and tires, giving it a clean, updated look while maintaining its classic appeal. The truck runs great and is ready to be driven, with a cold AC system that keeps the cabin comfortable in warm weather. It is currently tagged and registered, making it road-ready for its next owner. The vehicle comes with a salvage title due to previous vandalism rather than accident damage, and despite that history, it remains super clean inside and out.
Number 6.
1995 Ford Ranger, price $6,500. It has 153,000 miles, with approximately 50,000 of those miles accumulated while being flat-towed behind a motorhome, helping to reduce wear on the drivetrain. It is powered by the highly reliable and durable 2.3L inline-4 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck features ice-cold air conditioning, cruise control, and a well-preserved interior. After removing the seat covers, the original seats were found to be in like-new condition, and the rest of the cabin has been equally well-maintained. It also rides on a brand-new set of hand-cooked tires and has been consistently serviced throughout its life.
The engine runs smoothly, and even on the hottest days, the temperature gauge stays below 1/4, reflecting its excellent mechanical condition. Number 7.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,988. It has 114,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a silver exterior, a black interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a 5.9L Magnum V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and features a factory 4x4 system with high and low range, 4.10 gears, a limited-slip rear differential, and the factory off-road package. The truck also includes the factory trailer tow package with an approximate 7,800-pound towing capacity, a color-matched locking rear canopy, factory aluminum wheels, and Toyo Open Country R/T trail tires with fewer than 3,000 miles. Recent maintenance includes a new battery installed in September 2025, along with a radiator and water pump replaced about 3 years ago. Additional features include air conditioning, fog lights, a factory stereo, and a full-size spare tire, making this a well-maintained and capable truck for work or everyday driving.
Number 8.
1993 Toyota Pickup, price $4,800. The truck has 208,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a red exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by Toyota's dependable 22RE gasoline engine, known for its durability and reliability. This truck has had only one original owner and has been meticulously maintained throughout its life. Everything is in proper working order, and the clutch was recently replaced, providing smooth and confident shifting. The vehicle runs and drives well, reflecting the care it has received over the years. It also comes with a clean title in hand, making it an excellent option for anyone seeking a reliable, well-preserved, and increasingly desirable classic Toyota pickup.
Number 9.
1992 Toyota Pickup, price $7,999. It has 495,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a blue interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The seller states that it has recently received a new head gasket, timing chain, and water pump, while the transmission was professionally rebuilt by AAMCO with supporting paperwork available. The front-end suspension components have also been refreshed, and the air conditioning system has been serviced. The bench seat has been reupholstered, the emissions equipment remains fully intact, and it rides on SR5 wheels fitted with 235/75 or 15 tires that have good tread remaining. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives very well and comes with a clean Colorado title, making it a well-maintained classic Toyota pickup.
Number 10.
1996 Chevrolet S10, price $2,850. This truck has 224,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior with a matching black interior, and is powered by a gasoline-powered 4.3L V6 engine. It features a capable 4x4 drivetrain and runs and drives well. The truck is equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, a tilt steering wheel, a strong heater, and cold air conditioning for year-round comfort. It also includes a custom audio system, a custom suspension, a tow package, and a set of decent tires, making it practical for both daily driving and light-duty hauling. The seller states that everything works as it should, and the truck comes with a clean Colorado title.